mode.
What is up, hoodie gang? No. Yo, so what's up, YouTube? I got today a very special package. This is ahead of its release date. So, without further ado, this is the Jordan 3 Black Cement that is expected to release February 17th on the SNKRS app. Now, some people have already been able to get it early. Of course, they did have, I think they had an early sale on it on the SNKRS app at one point, a pop-up. I missed it, so I did buy it for resale. I did pay a pretty penny for this just to get this early, but I believe it is going to be somewhat limited. I wouldn't say extremely limited, but it will be limited. I will take my chance trying to get a second pair on the SNKRS app, but I wanted to make sure and have this video out for y'all before the release. Again, so this is another Tinker Hatfield production, creation, whatever you'd like to call it. I was only 5 years old when Jordan first wore these, and iconically wore the Air Jordan 3s, though I believe in a different colorway, in his 1988 Slam Dunk contest. But I was indoctrinated as a Jordan fan, as everyone was almost back in the day. So by the time I was 6 or 7, I was already a huge Jordan fan. But my first pair of Jordans were not the 3s. They were actually, I think, 7s. But this is a much more iconic shoe than the 7s are. And for good reason. Now, it's a beautiful looking shoe, first of all, beautiful looking silhouette. And it's really what I think it was this shoe that kept Jordan with Nike, because he was a self-proclaimed Adidas fan even before the Nike deal. And even after the Nike deal, he still had questions about, you know, the shoe, and he still, I think, wanted to go with Adidas. All that being said, Tinker Hatfield came in, created this shoe, Jordan liked it, and then things evolved from there. So let me stop fucking talking and let's get into this Jordan 3 Black Cement unboxing.
Go beast mode. Ballin' so hard, yeah, they think I got the cheat code. I got the cheat.
Now, I did get this from StockX, which has been like my plug lately. And I also sell on there too. You can check out the blog, I'mSoHoodie.com, for some of my blog posts on how I buy and sell on there, how I make some money, how I make enough so I can afford these shoes. And it's not a difficult formula to follow. Like any other YouTuber out there, sneaker YouTuber, who is much more cemented than I am in this game, could tell you. So let's go ahead and get into this. I have here the... Oh, but here, let's just see it. First off, right here, got the black and red to match the Godfather up there, you know. And let's just go ahead and bust this out here. And that is a nice looking box right there. It's a little dusty though, to be honest. I don't know why, but here we go. It's the Jordan
Mary jeans though. Yeah, bad little bitch, and she came from Puerto Rico.
So again, this was another StockX purchase, as you can see right there. Verified, authentic, and hey, it looks legit to me. So you know what I'm saying? It's got the right smell to it anyways. But yeah, this is a beautiful shoe, man. And I'm ready to start wearing it ASAP. But before that, let me just show y'all some of the detailing on there. As you can see, it has the tumbled leather for the upper right there. It's really tumbled. And then you see the accents all throughout right there. You can see this is padded. Like it doesn't have like the 4 with the extra strap on the side there, or with the strap on the side there, but it's still well padded. You got the Nike Air hit right there on the back instead of the Jordan, and then you got the Jumpman logo on the front. The colorway, of course, I mean, this is a really nice colorway. I like it, like, when the bottom is not white if the rest of the shoe is not white. I don't know why, it's just something I do like. And the midsole does have some hints of white, but it goes well with this. Probably my favorite part of the shoe is the back. Definitely, oops, I just spat on my own shoes here. And that is the Nike Air right there. Now if I get extra pairs, more than 2 pairs, I will have a pair on sale on my site, I'mSoHoodie.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. And I am expecting to have more than 2 pairs. So, but they're size 8.5. If you have a special request for a product or for a size, again, hit up the website, I'mSoHoodie.com. There's a product request form. Check it out. I'll get you it. All right, I'll be your plug. Now, prices, of course, will vary depending on the shoe. Anyways, again, here's the other shoe. Here's the other side, the right side. Got my size here. On the inside, you can see the Nike Air. It's got the Nike Air. Let's go ahead and take these out here. Padding here. Not sure if I can get it inside there, but if you can see it, let's see. If not, you'll just have to take my word for it. I think y'all can, yes. I don't know. Let's see here. Try that again. Okay, so y'all can see the Nike Air right there. My ghetto ass lighting system up in here. Anyways, yeah, so it's got the Nike Air inside. It's red inside. Smells good. There's really not much to say. Look at the bottoms, you know, your standard Jordan 3 bottoms right there. You know, I won't go into too much detail because y'all know about this shoe. You really just want to see how it looks, and is it worth the retail price? Definitely. Is it worth the resale? That's up to you. You know what I mean? But definitely, I think that any Jordan fan or any sneaker head, as you know, some people like to use that term. I don't really, but this is a must-have, I think. Now, I also definitely want the white ones that are going to come out later this month, and I wish I had gotten the Justin Timberlake ones that came out the Super Bowl yesterday. I missed it. I didn't even know they were coming out. I missed it. But anyways, that's, you know, that's in the past. Again, there's the shoes right here. There'll be a more detailed review and a bunch of photos and everything like that, along with, you know, different outfits I pair this with on the website, I'mSoHoodie.com. I'm going to go ahead and leave you guys with some footage of the shoes and the on feet. And if you like this video, please give it a like. That helps a lot. And don't forget to subscribe. We're trying to get this channel to 1,000 subscribers. And there'll be a special giveaway when that does happen. So again, this is I'mSoHoodie.com. I'll see you all on the next one. Deuces.
I'm psycho, I'm life up to go Michael. Take your pick, Jackson, Tyson, Jordan. Fall so hard, got a broke clock. Rollies that don't tick tock. All the Mars that's losing time. Hidden behind all these sick rock. Fall so hard, I'm shocked too. I'm supposed to be locked up too. You escape, but I escape. You need grass, get fucked up too. Fall so hard, let's get faded. And I'm gonna read for like 6 days. Cold body, slow body. Spin an ace on my 6 shades.